Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. I hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now today I'm music, me I deal with people. You see me I say straight music. So right away I want to big up the unruly boss. You see me him get him plaque them from Billboard. You know his song was charted and his album was charted also. And him also get him gold button from YouTube. That's when he reach 1 million subscriber. Him pass 1 million a good little while now, but it look like him just now I get it with the plaque and everything. So let's take a look at the video. Here goes.
Them thing I'm not talking about in the traffic. Them thing I'm not talking about. Every project you got, yeah, Grammy next.
Yeah, I want the world pilot.
World pilot?
We have to say world pilot. That's the new bumper clap. Trouble.
Was all a dream once.
Yeah.
Reality now. Big up Vibes God, you hear that? OVO son and rolling.
Hear that?
Them thing I will talk about is it.
Yeah man, big up a unroll the boss span him accomplishments, right? But now people, today are music day and the artist we are giving the most music overall right now. You see me, I said the most freestyle, the most everything. She did it again, people. My artist, your artist, the wonderful, the lovely Shaneil Muir. So today we are going to get into some new tune and we are getting into some commoners and some other things. But right now we just kick it off with the first one. Here goes.
It's a road, I'ma like it. WhatsApp now no privacy. Send a Snapchat, they're so private. And do the things I'ma like. Lose control if you want to. Make me lose my soul. Lock me no probation. Now where you there, send me a location. Let me pull up on your foot. Know when me pull up and the pants pull off. Man not to talk up, man not to talk much. Long talking on my belly, me not do shortcut. Deep tell you know already, me no really hold no belly. Pin on my middle on my section. My pussy need your attention. Push this so, stop this so. Fuck let me get an injection. Fling it up and I'm a leak low. Tell you say I'm a for be a little go-go. My honey a go on like say I didn't know. Anyway then me gon' put on a show. Make you lose control if you want to. Make me lose my soul. Lock me no probation. Now where you there, send me a location. Make me pull up on your foot. No when me pull up and the pants pull off. Man not to talk up, man not to talk much. Long talking on my belly, me not do shortcut. Deep tell you know already me. I mean I need no bedtime story. I want to cock you if you hold me. Call me up when you need for fuck. Pull up when you're lonely. You make me sweat. Hello, hi. I want a boy come stab up my whole tonight. No some more that tight, no way stab up me whole tonight. If you want to make me lose my, lock me no probation. Lock me no probation, you make me sweat.
Yeah, people, so that was a new one, but I want to get to no opinion on it, you know what I mean? Because, you know, she have a lot of tune, people. When I say a lot of tune, I mean like a lot of tune. I want to know that too, because from we are watching freestyle and I post them, I want to know, say, tons of them, you know what I mean? Some of them we hear them, some of them we hear already, you know what I mean? But she have whole heap of tune, and she have tune where she talk about them kind of something, and she have tune where she also talk about, you know what I mean, on a cultural level. So, more hear what you think about that tune there a while ago. You see me? So put that in the comment section. Now, the next part now when I go play for you, you probably hear some of them lyrics before, but them still bad because of Shaneil Muir, and we know say she a dancehall new sensation, and she prove it already, say she can go the extra mile and run the furlong. You know what I mean? She have tune for these people, all kind of tune. So right now we are getting now some commoners. Here goes.
Love when me see the bunny very much strong, cock beat very much strong. Be good more, I'm like when the little and shrivel up. Oh, me love bad man, me love it when him beat it up. And listen, I wonder if you not hear the words the mommy I say. I know I'm speaking a little bit too fast, but you have to catch it like I when teacher they teach in a class. Listen. Love when me see the money firm and strong, cock big, long, firm and strong. Be good more, I like when the little and shrivel up. Oh, me love bad man, me love it when him beat it up and bust it over a secret. My man him don't eat pum pum, so him get a girl fi eat it. Calm down, really want to really a get. Man a bisexually a joke me and make him a pay feet. Anything my man want him get him nothing. I not straight feet pum pum, but I'm the trust can't hold in there. Woman cause to come in there, some girl pum pum planet fitness car. Everybody walk and run in there. He's out and them bad and lyrical, but me don't it. Anything you hear me sing can redeem and me wrote it. Me no know who them. Me don't follow people, me say trend. Me a real top girl, just tell them that they're alright. When I like some style, some girl fuck to them pum pum while alright then. Me not be young, some girl with a shame if pum pum talk alright then. And when me talk, them not go like me, cause me say all the things them have to hurt them. This a pussy full of lucky night. Squeaky, I must see rubber ducky night. Pussy warm like set a pot lucky night. But pussy nothing yams and a sucky night. Hold on, no broke boy can't lucky night. Top girl, you want fuck star stuck in night. The one fuck wanna give him stuck in night. Round the clock, pay, clock. I show me have the eye to tight above a mighty pussy nice, but please nobody all me ex and try to spite me. Oh yeah, pussy no for real, but you for ask politely nice and easy go and go bite. If a girl a try to tell you no, them got the glue, but I me got the factory. Pum pum a Porsche, them pum pum a taxi. Now overeat like Samsung Galaxy. Ask how my do it, ask here and ask me. I saw me grab up me buff. Ease on sick up pussy warm like a tough body send it up pussy tight bend it up your girl call hang it up body good pussy boss and if you rich that is a plus. Wine up in a me hole, climb up in a my hole, dirt can't find gold, mine up in a my hole, bruise a pick up that's a promise. Put you are your girl in a malice. Show me up the eyes tight about for my pussy nice but please the bite all me extra trap spot you boy. Yeah. No, who knows?
Yeah, people. So for you make it this far in the video, it's evident that you rate Shaneil Muir. So I'm not have to say a whole lot. So just go into the comment section and leave a comment. And say, so this is the end of the video. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up on yourself. Stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.